Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Speed Vibes, your go-to channel for all things cars and speed. Today, we've got the mighty 2025 GMC Yukon, an SUV known for its size, power, and luxury. But does the 2025 model meet expectations? Let's dive in and find out. Exterior design. The 2025 GMC Yukon keeps its bold and rugged design with some sleek updates. Check out the massive front grille with chrome accents, flanked by C-shaped LED headlights that give it a futuristic look. The 22-inch alloy wheels enhance the SUV's road presence, and the extended profile screams luxury and power. Roof rails and subtle chrome detailing make it perfect for both city life and outdoor adventures. And at the rear, we get sleek taillights with a modern touch, a hidden rear wiper under the spoiler, and a hands-free power liftgate, because convenience matters. Interior and space. Stepping inside, the 2025 Yukon offers a blend of luxury and comfort. From the leather seats with contrast stitching to the soft-touch dashboard, everything feels premium. The spacious 3-row layout can fit up to 8 passengers comfortably, and even the third row has enough room for adults. You also get power-folding second and third rows, giving you flexibility for those long road trips. And of course, with all rows down, the cargo space becomes massive, ready for whatever adventure you have in mind. Technology and infotainment. GMC packed the 2025 Yukon with the latest tech. You get a 12-inch digital driver display and a 15-inch head-up display, making all essential info easy to access. The 10.2-inch central touchscreen offers Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Google Apps integration. And for those long drives, the Bose 14-speaker sound system delivers incredible audio. Rear passengers also have their fun with a rear seat entertainment system, keeping everyone entertained on family trips. Performance and engine options. Now let's talk power. The 2025 Yukon offers 3 engine options: a 5.3-liter V8 with 355 horsepower, a 6.2-liter V8 pumping out 420 horsepower, and the 3.0-liter Duramax Diesel, ideal for towing and fuel economy. Every engine comes with a 10-speed automatic transmission and the option of rear-wheel or 4-wheel drive. And thanks to the adaptive air suspension, you get a smooth ride on any terrain. Safety drivers pointing at cameras and sensors. Safety is a priority for GMC, and the Yukon is loaded with GMC Pro Safety Plus, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, forward collision alert with automatic emergency braking, a 360-degree camera system for easy parking. It's built to give you confidence on the road, whether you're driving through the city or the great outdoors. Pricing. So, is the 2025 GMC Yukon the perfect full-size SUV? With powerful engine options, advanced tech, premium materials, and top-tier safety features, it's hard to find a rival that matches it. Pricing starts around $60,000 for the base model, but if you want all the bells and whistles with the Denali trim, expect to pay around $80,000. Whether you need a family hauler or a luxury off-road beast, the Yukon has you covered. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Auto Speed Vibes for more exciting car reviews. What are your thoughts on the 2025 Yukon? Drop a comment below. And as always, drive safe, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next one.